How to clear all notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open notifications. So swipe down. So you will see notification is here. So if you want to clear notifications, so you will clear notification one by one. So if you want to clear history at that time, so click on clear. So after click on clear, you will see notification history is delete at the time. So after deleting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can clear all notification history on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.